not a game, it's a rich thing.
Okay, so I feel like French toast doesn't always get the love and care it deserves, and there's so many ways you can make it. I purchased this brioche bread from my local supermarket. You don't have to use the same bread, but I personally prefer the brioche for this method. It is a lot cakier and moist inside, and I like the contrast of having it crispy on the outside and very soft on the inside. So I sliced the bread in very thick slices. Yes, they are very thick, but this is going to be a stuffed, filled Nutella French toast. And I mean, it is what it is. So I slit the middle of the bread because this is going to be stuffed with Nutella. If you don't have a piping bag, you can just use a sandwich or freezer bag and then insert it into your bread. In order to get that crispiness on your French toast, you need to make a wet batter, which consists of milk, eggs, cinnamon, nutmeg, and vanilla. I'll leave the measurements here. I placed my pan on medium heat and added butter to help with the caramelization. Dip both sides of the bread into your wet mix and add it to your pan. Leave the bread for about 3 to 5 minutes and then flip it over when it's nice and toasted. Okay, so here's a tip. Do not put your French toast straight on the plate because it's still going to be hot and then it's going to create steam and make it soggy, and nobody wants a soggy French toast. I placed them on a paper towel for a couple of minutes before plating. I think it's time for a B-roll. And that's it. If you enjoyed the video, remember to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.